This is a typical scratch that you're going to get into a floor. Sometimes it's easier to do the repair. Sometimes I'll darken it in with color first, just to see how well that's going to help hide it. And sometimes just the coloring of a scratch will do wonders for it. And other times then you'll come back and fill in with some waxes. So I'm looking at, this is a little bit of a darker pen, so I'll keep it in the darker section. And then on the lighter area, I'll switch to another little different color. And sometimes that's all we'll need to take care of a scratch. Just, it's hiding the representation of the light color that's there. And that alone sometimes is all that you need to do. So from here you can do one of two things. You can mix a couple of different colors and get a colored wax that will blend, but since we got some multiples going on here, one of the other things that you can do in your kit is we have a clear wax that can be melted over. If the color looks well, you can then go ahead and come back with just clear over the top of that, which will fill in the scratch. And you just pull that along. So basically now you're leveling out the area and giving it protection with the wax. And I've had so many people, once I've done a repair on their floor, say, hey, I got a nick and ding in my cabinet or my piece of furniture or whatever it might be, and I have done a lot of other additional repairs after that. So now I'm just going to smooth out that wax and then grab my little knife, peeling off the excess. Grab the rag. Do a little buff to it. And now we have an area that has been hidden.